Hi everyone, I'm just going to do a little unboxing video for you of the Collaboration Superpowers virtual facilitation Supercards. And this is a new deck because it's a community edition that we updated since its original release. Okay, so this is just a little thank you for purchasing the cards. To everyone in the remote community who contributed to this deck of cards, let's rock remotely. First one, write in the chat. The good old favorite of 2020, you are on mute. The Gelmo, good enough, let's move on. It used to be just an Elmo card, but this is the friendly Elmo. Can't hear you. This is a new one. You are still on mute. Be right back. Please mute. A thank you card. I know I'm going to use this a lot. Should we record this meeting? Anything else? Another new one. Let's check in. And it has the little weather icons. Another new one. You are still sharing your screen. I know that this card is going to be a popular one. I'm going to use this a lot. A new and updated heart. Another new one. Don't hold back. Can't see your screen. This is also a new addition. We have the classic awesome. Oh, another new card. What's that behind you? A question mark. Another new card. Async instead. Do we really need that meeting? I can hear you. And the funny one. No, you go first. Some infrastructure issues. I need to reboot. Cheers! And the last but not least is the great idea. So out of this new deck, which is my favorite one? I don't even know. I think you are still sharing your screen. It's a favorite. And the checking card. Ooh, I know that I'm going to use the gratitude thank you card a lot. Thank you for watching. Bye.